Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to tell you some Hindi sentences first and then I am going to tell them in both basic English sentences and in advanced form. So let's start the video. मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ. I am very tired. I am very tired. But this is the most basic sentence we can say. But when we say in advanced form, we don't use this word very. At that time, we can say, I am dead tired. I am dead tired. वो बहुत आलसी है. वो बहुत आलसी है. He is lazy. He is lazy. And in advanced form, you should say like, he is a couch potato. He is a couch potato. मैं इसके बारे में निश्चित नहीं हूँ. मैं इसके बारे में निश्चित नहीं हूँ. I am not sure about it. I am not sure about it. And in advanced form, I am on the fence. I am on the fence. आप बहुत दयालु है. आप बहुत दयालु है. You are very kind. You are very kind. And in advanced form, you have a golden heart. You have a golden heart. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. And in advanced form, you say, I'm not into it. I'm not into it. तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो? तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you up to? What are you up to? उसका कल्पना करो. Imagine that. उसका कल्पना करो. Imagine that. उसका कल्पना करो. Picture that. Picture that. मैं तुम्हें सालों से नहीं देखा. मैं तुम्हें सालों से नहीं देखा. I have not seen you in ages. I have not seen you in ages. Long time no see. Long time no see. मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. I am so hungry. मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. I am starving. आपको निर्णय लेना होगा. आपको निर्णय लेना होगा. You have to decide. You have to decide. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. लंबी बातों को छोटा करके बताती हूँ. लंबी बातों को छोटा करके बताती हूँ. Let me tell you in quick and short manner. Let me tell you in quick and short manner. लंबी बातों को छोटा करके बताती हूँ. Long talk cut short. Long talk cut short. मैं तुरंत ये करती हूँ. I'm doing it right now. मैं तुरंत ये करती हूँ. I'm doing it right now. मैं तुरंत ये करती हूँ. I will do it right away. I will do it right away. मैं बाद में ये करूँगी. मैं बाद में ये करूँगी या मैं बाद में ये कर लूँगी. I will do it later. I will do it later. And in advanced form, you'd say, I will get around to it. I will get around to it. सर्दी आने वाली है. सर्दी आने वाली है. Winter is about to come. Winter is about to come. And in advanced form, you should say like, winter is around the corner. Winter is around the corner. So that's all for today. I am ending this video here. If you feel like this video is important one, then hit the like button and share this video with those ones who really need this video. And comment in the comment section if you want to know anything from me regarding spoken English and learning English. Okay, and one more thing I want to say before ending this video, that is, if you want to become confident and fluent in your English speaking, you can join my 5-day workshop and you can register for that at rupees 299. I will provide the link in the description box. So thank you. Take care. Bye.